Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to insert image into a shape in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template. In this tutorial, I will use presentation. So I click it. Then a presentation design page is created. Go to elements. And then we can find shape, but we don't use shape for insert the photo. We can go down to bottom. We can find frames and CO. And we can find many shapes for basic shape and the frame and photo. In this tutorial, I will show the simple shape. I click CO and manage shape. We can choose, and I pick a square. And then we can adjust the size of square or rotate it. And then we can import the image. For example, I go to my file folder and then drag and drop into Canva to import the image. Next, I drag into the frames, and we can insert the image into a shape. Next, we can double click to adjust the size. For example, we can enlarge it or reduce the size. I enlarge it and we can move it here, and also we can rotate. So this is how we can insert image into a shape in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.